How to verify BTC on Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify BTC, or better known as Bitcoin, on Cash App, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you have been trying to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, first of all the rule you have to understand here is that you don't verify Bitcoin. What you do is you verify your Cash App account, which will hopefully give you the Bitcoin transactions option. So to verify your Cash App account, when you come to the home page of Cash App, you tap the Bitcoin option over here, and when you tap the Bitcoin option there, you'll find the option called buy Bitcoin. Now you might actually try to deposit a Bitcoin, and if you've already added your phone number, you'll find the option to enter your legal name and details. You can follow that instructions, or you can just select the buy Bitcoin option here. You can try to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to buy, and in the next page it will ask you to enter your phone number, the legal name, the legal details as per your document. Once you enter that, Cash App will take some time to verify those addresses, and once done, your BTC will get successfully verified. This way you can verify BTC on Cash App. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.